guys. Hello, hello. Welcome, everyone. I see you guys joining. Welcome, welcome. My name is Farizat, guys, if you don't know me. Let's wait a few seconds. Let me know, guys, where you're from. I'm in New Jersey. India, Italy, Australia. Welcome, guys. New York. Welcome, welcome. Today we'll have a very important and exciting Excel training. In under 30 minutes, you will see how fast, powerful, and surprisingly simple Excel can be. So if you've always found it overwhelming, don't worry, today we will fix it. Welcome, guys. I see you guys joining. All right, let's start. My name is Farizat. I'm an Excel coach and Microsoft MVP, and I'm so excited to welcome you guys to this free Excel training. I'm going to share my presentation right now. All righty. Very excited. All right. I know that Excel can feel like a lot sometimes, right, guys? And if you ever stared at your spreadsheet, you felt stuck, you feel like it's way too much going on there, way too many data, and you don't know where to start, you're not alone. We've all been there, guys. A lot of people are still doing things manually that could be automated in seconds. And this is what real professionals do, guys. They don't do things manually. They automate processes so they don't waste time on repeating the same task over and over again. And today I'm sharing a proven system that helped me and thousands of other people to save hours of time, to work 10 times faster, to automate repetitive tasks, and actually feel confident with Excel. We will go through my 5 top Excel tips, even more, I think, and plus AI hacks. So I'm so excited to show you guys all these things. All right, a little about me. When I first started, Excel used to give me serious anxiety. At my old job, I spent over a week preparing sales tax reports, but when I finally learned the right techniques, everything changed. It used to take me 2 stressful weeks to prepare sales tax reports, and now I could finish reports in few days with easy report automation. And then I started helping other teams too. For me, mastering Excel wasn't just about getting faster. It gave me back time, more space for myself, for my family, and eventually the freedom to start the side hustle that I love. And then I became Microsoft MVP, and now I'm teaching millions of people Excel. I have students from different industries, literally. Let me know, guys, by the way, what do you do for a living? I'm very curious to see why you need Excel. Accounting, I'm an accountant too, finance, sales reps, teachers, that's awesome. Pilots, wow, this is impressive. That's amazing. You see, guys, literally everyone needs to know Excel. This is amazing. And people who joined last month to this training saw results right away. They worked faster, they made fewer mistakes, they were amazed with Excel tips, and the best part, they could implement them right away into their work. And my goal is simple: help you walk away from this session with tips you can use immediately. And if you stay till the end, guys, I've got a free step-by-step guide and practice file for you. So please still stay till the end. Not only you will get this free stuff, free bonuses, you will also get so much amazing knowledge which you can use right away. All right, let's start, guys. I want it to be quick and efficient. So I'm going to share my screen right now, and we will start with Excel tips. All right, let me know, guys, if you can see my screen. Okay, see, yes, 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 perfect. Okay, let me take you back, guys, to my first big Excel moments. I was handed the giant spreadsheet, thousands of rows of messy, weirdly formatted data. I thought, okay, I can do these things manually. You see, like on my spreadsheet, I have first and last name together, and I had to split those. So I was literally typing Sophia in one column, Tim in another column, Olivia in one column, Smith in another column. It was crazy. I was exhausted, and I don't know, I had so much data. I was end of the day, and I didn't even do half of it. So today I want you guys to know this Excel tips and hacks that you can use and save yourself the headache and all this wasting time. Okay, so let's take a look at this example. And I want to also show you a few ways to do the same thing, because it is very important to understand your data, to understand the result you want to do. And when you know a few different ways to get to that result, you will know which way is more efficient for this particular case. So here we have, like I said, full name, and we need to split it into the first column and the last, to the first name and the last name. So there's, again, few ways to do it. The first way, I want to show you flash fill. Flash fill is like a magic. It's amazing. It does things for you. All you need to do is just to show Excel what you need, and then it will repeat for the rest of the data, the same pattern. Okay, I'm going to show Excel that I need in this column to have only first name. So I'm going to type Sophia, hit enter, and press Ctrl+E. And you see the rest of the data was populated automatically. I didn't have to do anything. Excel understood my task, and it just did it for the rest of the data. And same, we're going to do the last name. Team, hit enter, press Ctrl+E. Same thing happened. Amazing. So simple. All you need to do, just type the name, hit enter, and press Ctrl+E. So simple, guys. Okay, this was the number one method to split your data. The only thing I don't like about flash fill, again, depends on the situation. If you just need to split it once and done, it's fine. But if you need to do it like every month and your names change, you can use dynamic functions. And I want to show you this amazing, cool new function which can help you to do that. It calls text split. All you need to do is just start by equal sign, text split, okay? And then select your text, put comma. Now we're gonna tell Excel which delimiter to use. So basically, delimiter is something which separates your data. So we have Sophia, space, team. The space is delimiter in our case. It can be Sophia, comma, team. Comma will be delimiter, or Sophia dot team. That will be delimiter. So in this case, space is our delimiter. So we're gonna put space, and we have to put our delimiter in quotation mark. So open quotation mark, put the space, close quotation mark. So this is our delimiter, comma. Now you can just actually close this and hit enter. Done, right? And after fill this down. See, we got the same result as a flash fill. Like I said, the only difference here, if my last name changes, it will change here as well. So this says dynamic functions. They change as the result changes as your data changes. Okay, so I love this to use because, again, I usually use my reports few times, not just like one time. I reuse them every month, and I just replace my original data, and my results will be updated automatically. So this is amazing. Okay, another thing, combining data. Sometimes you have to combine your data. Again, don't do it manually. We can use flash fill. I think you guys already understand how to use flash fill, but again, let's do it, right? So we're gonna do example. Sophia, team, hit enter, and press Ctrl+E. Done. Populated automatically. You got your result. It worked. Amazing. The only thing, again, it's not dynamic. So if your data changes, nothing will change here, right? So if you want to do dynamic, you can use TEXTJOIN function. Equal sign, TEXTJOIN. First argument is delimiter. So you know how we use delimiter here. Now we're going to tell which delimiter to use. Basically, we're going to tell what to put between first text and the second text. It can be comma, it can be space, whatever you want, again in quotation marks. So quotation marks, space, quotation marks, comma. Ignore empty cells. Yes, we can ignore empty cells if needed. Comma, select text 1, comma, select text 2. It can go as long as you want, 10 texts, like whatever. Okay, close bracket, hit enter. And after fill that down. Done. So simple. And again, if something changes here, it will change in this column as well because it's dynamic. So this is why I teach my students all these little quick tips, because it is important to know different ways to get to the same result, because sometimes you need just quick result. You don't need this report in future, so you use flash fill. But if you do need this report in future, instead of doing flash fill one time, second time, you just use dynamic functions like this, and you just paste your new data and your results will be updated automatically. All right, and the last thing I want to show you, trim functions. Very little people know about the trim function. Trim function basically removes extra spaces in your data. I see that a lot. When you upload data from different sources, it always has weird characters, different spaces, and it messes up your reports in future, because if your data is not clean, it's going to give you a headache. It's going to give you an errors. So before you move to analyzing your data with like mathematical, logical functions, you have to fix it first. No extra spaces, no weird characters, right? So to remove extra spaces, you use trim function. It is so simple. And again, it's dynamic. So equal sign, trim, and select the cell you want to trim the data. Close bracket, hit enter. Done. We trimmed this data. And I'm going to show you in the next tip why it is so important to clean up your data to remove extra spaces. Okay, guys? So I hope you understand these tips. Let me know, guys, what you think. All right, and we'll move to the next one. All right, amazing. I saw you guys loved it. Yes, flash fill amazing. Dynamic arrays is so amazing and helpful. Okay, next tip, XLOOKUP. I know a lot of you know probably VLOOKUP. I know it's confusing, but there's a better way to match your data. XLOOKUP. XLOOKUP functions allow you to search for specific value in a table or range and then return corresponding value from specified column. It's more user-friendly than VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, index match, etc. So let me show you guys how it works and you will understand it. Okay, let's look at our data. Here we have a sales data and the catalog, right? In the sales data, we have product ID, and in the catalog, we have product ID. So we need to go and search this product ID in our catalog and bring this product name and description into our sales data, right? You can do it manually, or you can do it XLOOKUP. Again, please don't do it manually. You're going to waste so much time. All right. So how will you do it? Again, all functions and formulas start with the X equal sign. Equal sign, XLOOKUP. The argument number 1 is lookup value. So just select product ID and put comma. Lookup array, this is the range of cells containing the values to be searched. So we're searching for product ID number, right, in our catalog. So where's the product ID number here? It's in column K. So just select column K and put comma. All right, return array. This is the data we need to return. And the best part about XLOOKUP, you can actually return multiple text, multiple data. Versus VLOOKUP, you cannot do this. You have to do one formula for one, another one for another one, etc. So here we need to return product name and description. It's column L and M. So we're going to select both of those columns and put comma. Okay. Next argument, if not found. Again, amazing feature XLOOKUP has and VLOOKUP doesn't. If the data is not found into catalog, instead of giving you an A error, you can actually want you to put here, right? You can say not in stock. Or I had that a lot. If you work, for example, with numbers, right? And you need to use those numbers for reports, like sum the data or whatever. When you have NA, you can sum it up, right? So you have to have 0. And instead of going manually changing it to 0 or deleting it, you can just put 0 here. And instead of giving you an NA error, it will give you 0. So simple and so useful. All right, the last argument 0 for exact match, 1 for approximate match. So we're going to put 0, close bracket, and hit enter. Done. Both data is here for all the product IDs. So simple, guys. So useful. XLOOKUP is must, and VLOOKUP too. You have to know that when you go to the interview, they will ask you. This is must to know. I guarantee you they will ask you XLOOKUP, pivot tables, and probably how to fix data, maybe if formulas, functions too. But don't worry, I'll teach you it all. All right, guys. So you see how we matched product ID to product ID, right? And before I told you, it is so important to remove extra spaces. So let me show you why it is important. Let's say we got this data from some report, right? And it has a space. Some space behind, like after up 1, which you can even, like, you can't see there's a space. Like, you will never understand why it doesn't work. And then, you know, you can print. You think it's not in stock, but it is in stock, right? And you actually see it for other ones. So instead of going crazy, it happened to me, going crazy and searching, is like, why it didn't work? Why my formula didn't work? Why I get an A error? Something must be wrong with Excel. Like, you know, we all been there. Please, before you use XLOOKUP, any like logical functions, matching functions, please clean up your data. Remove any extra spaces. So now, because we have extra space here, you can just, you know, manually delete it, whatever. But if you have a lot of data, you're not going to go manually deleting each thing. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to put trim function inside our XLOOKUP function. Just type trim here, and we are trimming D14, right? And hit enter. Done. Now it works. Even though there is extra space here, it actually removed it inside the formula. So XLOOKUP is looking at the result of trim function, and it's matching with our catalog, and that's why it works now. One simple formula like this can save you hours and hours of headache and wasted time, guys. I've been there. Trust me, it's okay. We've all made mistakes like this. This is how we learn. But if you know this, you will save yourself a lot of headache. All right, guys. Next tip. Let me know, guys, what do you think about XLOOKUP and trim? Great, amazing. I love it, guys. Okay. The next one I will show you is pretty simple, but I love it. This is my favorite shortcut I want you guys to use. So basically, here's our data is messed up. It's all over the place, and you can fix it manually, but I love to use shortcuts. So I want to show you my favorite shortcuts. First, we're going to press Ctrl+A on the keyboard. Okay. Now, to select all the data. Now, we're going to resize the columns. Alt+H+O+I. Alt+H+O+I. Resize columns. Now we're going to resize rows, Alt+H+O+A, Alt+H+O+A, perfect. And add borders is Alt+H+B+A. I already have borders here. But anyways, our data is fixed. And again, Ctrl+A, select data, Alt+H+O+I, resize columns, Alt+H+O+A, resize rows, Alt+H+B+A, add borders. And you can, my tip to remember shortcuts, just take one shortcut or two shortcuts, write it down in a sticker, put it in front of you, and practice it when you work those two until your muscle memory remembers it, and then move to the next one. And again, you don't need to know all of the shortcuts, guys. You need to know only the ones you use the most, like apply filters, fix the columns, fix the rows, and stuff like this. So this is gonna make your work much faster. And also, those shortcuts impresses bosses a lot when you see their work, like when you see you work and you see you use the shortcuts and like you're moving fast, they will be like, oh wow, this person really knows how to use Excel. So it can get you far. All right. So again, this is my data, and my goal for this data is to use it for pivot tables to build the dashboard, right? And I like to have usually month and a year in separate columns, so it's easy to analyze this data by like months, years, etc. So here we have only the date. And again, please don't do this. Don't manually go and type your month. Do not do that, okay? It's not gonna even work. So the thing you want to do, you want to use text formulas. They're so simple, but probably like 10% of people know how to use it. Even those who are really good at Excel, for some reason, they don't know date and text formulas. So just put equal sign, text, open brackets, select your value, okay, comma, and now Excel which format you want this text to be. So I want it to be month, open quotation marks, and put MMM, right, for a month. Close quotation marks and bracket and hit enter. Done. We got our months for the whole table. And again, this is dynamic formula. If your data changes here, your month will change as well. The same thing for the year. Equal sign, text, open brackets, select value, comma, quotation marks, format year, 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 close brackets, and quotation marks, and hit enter. Done. So simple, guys. This will save you hours of work. I've included this tip because my friend actually asked me about it because he couldn't figure out how to get month from the date without manually typing it. So I thought it might be helpful for you guys too. All right, let me know, guys, what do you think about these tips, and we will move to my last, the most exciting tip of the day with AI. Okay, let me know, guys, what do you think? Amazing, you love it. Very useful. Okay, perfect. All right, let's move to the next one. Again, I want to be quick and efficient. Okay, let's get this here. Let's close this. Sorry, I have so many tabs, you guys. Okay, we need ChatGPT. We need the file. Okay, my file. Open. Okay. And we need prompts. All right, so here's the data we have. And we want to build a dashboard, which is gonna look like this. Usually to build the dashboard, first you have to understand what's gonna be in your dashboard, what's the layout that's gonna be, and like map it kinda, so you understand what to build. So the way we build dashboards, first we have our data, then we build the pivot tables for this data, which gives us results we need for our dashboards. And then we build each chart and the cards and the design, all of that. Usually it takes, I don't know, 1 to 2 days to build this dashboard. But today I want you guys to show amazing way to do it literally in 20 minutes with ChatGPT. I know a lot of people think, why do you need ChatGPT and stuff like this? I don't know. There's a lot of skepticism about it, but in my personal experience, ChatGPT, Copilot are useful for heavy lifting, for VBA codes and for Python charts, because when you ask AI how to, I don't know, join the text together, it's same thing as Googling. You type in it. It's harder to explain and type your task versus just to do it if you know the formula. It is so simple and quick, so you don't really need to do it because it's same thing as Googling and like typing questions over and over again. Sometimes it doesn't understand you properly. But for VBA codes, I tested a lot. It works amazing because to write the VBA code, first of all, you have to know the coding, right? Second of all, it's long. It's a lot of typing. You don't want to do that manually. And you use AI tools to do it for you. And I'm going to show you how we do that. Okay, so this is my, where is it? This is my ChatGPT, okay? And I have this document with prompts to build the dashboard. So I have 4 prompts, guys, which will help you to build the dashboard. So all I do is copy this prompt, right? I need AI to analyze my data. I paste it here. I go to Excel. I copy sample of my data, and I paste it. And I say, hey, can you please analyze this? Okay. And look, it goes ahead and analyzes my data. It gives me key metrics, right? What needs to be in the dashboard, like top section. Then it gives me a main dashboard section, like graphs, which graphs to include, which style and stuff like this, what data is important to show on your dashboard. Okay, and then gives me some bonus ideas. Okay, great. So we got an idea what we want to do. Now we go to the second prompt. Okay, so the second prompt is to create dashboard layouts. We're gonna copy this whole prompt, guys. Okay, we go back to GPT and we paste this prompt and send it. And now it's gonna write VBA code for us. Literally, all we need to do is just copy this code, paste it into our Excel, run it, and we're done, right? Okay, still writing. So we copy code, we go back to Excel, we go to developer, here, and we insert module, okay? And once we do that, we run the code and we get a cards for our dashboard, basically dashboard layout and the cards. This is what we get just by running this code. You don't need to manually insert this one by one. You just run the code which ChatGPT gave you. And then next, we go to our next prompt, which will generate pivot tables for your dashboard. Again, copy this, go to GPT, paste it, and it will write the code, VBA code for you to generate pivot tables. Again, you copy it, you paste it into your Excel, you run it, and you get all these pivot tables automatically without doing anything except pasting that code and running it. That said, guys, how many, like, I think it's 7 pivot tables here. It takes time to build them, to like, okay, I need the month, I need this year. Like, it takes time, and you don't need to do it anymore. You can use ChatGPT to do it for you. The only thing you have to know how to write that prompt, right? So you copied it, you did it, boom, done. And the last step is to actually generate your dashboard charts. So you're gonna copy the last prompt, you go back, you paste it to GPT, and it's gonna write your code again for your dashboard. You copy it, you go back to your Excel, you paste it, you run it, and you get yourself this amazing dashboard, guys. I was so impressed with that when I tried it, I tested it. It was amazing. It is so useful. It is so quick. You can even, I don't know, start your business doing these dashboards, like for people. Like it's so simple. And the thing is, not a lot of people know how to use AI into your advantage. They think it's, you know, I don't even know. They like think it's same as Googling. Maybe it's not that useful, but yes, for some things it is same as Googling. But for more advanced things like this, for coding, it works perfectly. It works amazing, guys. So I'm really happy you guys know that you can use it now and you can be at top of the top in your company. Like this is a whole new level, guys. Let me know, guys, in the comments, what do you think about this? AI is here, guys, and we have to know it. Amazing. Wow, I'm so impressed. Yeah, it is crazy, guys. Honestly, I love it. I personally love it. The only thing you should know it because I think with time, there are gonna be specialists who know how to use AI, who make your work faster, more professional, and those who don't know how to use AI. And at the end, when you go to interview, they will, of course, choose a person who knows how to use AI, who is more efficient with it, like who is more efficient with their data, not only Excel, but also AI tools to speed up your work, to make it more professional. So you don't need 3 people in one position. Now you're going to need just one person. And to be that one person, you need to learn and take advantage of this so you will be on top. And right now it's a perfect time because not a lot of people think it's, you know, a big thing, it's so important, or they don't want to use it, I don't know, resist it or whatever. But you do it, you use it, you learn it, and you will be number one in your company. All right, I am going to go back to my presentation now. But for now, guys, let me know if you can do at least, I don't know, 50% what I showed you today. I'll just start my presentation. Okay, so what we learned today, right? We had quick shortcuts, powerful formulas for cleaning up data like flash fill, trim, text split, text join. Then we moved to analyzing data with XLOOKUP, right? We covered my favorite shortcuts for cleaning up data and some text formulas, and of course AI. I mean, I don't expect you guys to repeat my AI steps right away. But what about this first section, guys? How do you feel? Is it easy to use? And you can actually go back to work and try using those formulas. Let me know, guys, what do you think? Yes, easy, game changer. I love it. It's very impressive. I love the text formulas. Okay, the trim form function is game changer. XLOOKUP is one of my favorite. Okay, amazing, guys. I used to use VLOOKUP, but XLOOKUP is so much better. Yes, guys, XLOOKUP is so much better. So I'm very happy you guys see it now and you can be more efficient. And these are exact things my students use in their day-to-day jobs, and they're told me they're saving hours every week, guys. Tools like TEXTSPLIT, if, XLOOKUP, trim, flash fill, text formulas, date forms, they're small on the surface, but they make huge difference when you know how to use them right way. You know, guys, little tricks, big impacts. And it's so important, again, to know different ways to get to your results so you know which way is the best for you. Yes, you're welcome, guys. All right. Okay, we did that. And I know that a lot of people think that Excel is just hard, complicated, boring. But after what we did today, I hope you guys saw that Excel can actually be so easy and even fun. And the truth is, when you understand the logic behind Excel, when you know which formula to use and how they work, it will all start to click, guys. The problem is most people never get there. They try to learn on their own and it takes forever. It's confusing, it's frustrating, and worst of all, it slows them down, right? Like with this little space at the end of your text, it took me, I don't know, not even a month to understand. There's extra spaces in my data. That's why my formulas don't work. If only someone would come and tell me, hey, Farizat, just use the trim function and you won't have this problem. I will be like, oh my God, thank you so much. So I'm here for you guys to be that person to tell you, hey, use this and that, and you will be working 10 times faster. But this is what I want for you guys, right? And here's a moment of truth. Right now you have two options, guys. Option one, you can keep trying to figure out Excel on your own. Maybe you watch YouTube tutorials, maybe you ask your coworkers. Again, you can ask ChatGPT over and over again. It might work eventually, but it's going to cost you time, missed promotions, stress, and a whole a lot trial and errors, guys. And again, even you can try using ChatGPT for it. Sure, it can write formulas for you, but again, it's the same thing. By the time you explain which formula you need to use, which data you need to use, this and that, it's easier to just understand the logic behind it, understand the formula, so you won't be stuck. You won't be I don't know, doing the same thing over and over again. You can automate the task with better templates because, like I said, you have few ways to get to your results, and only you're gonna know which way is better for you, like either dynamic or I don't know, or other options. And option number two, you join a step-by-step program that shows you exactly what to do in the right order. Structured lessons, practice files, shortcuts that save you hours, and full support from me every step of the way, guys. You will stop guessing. You will stop Googling every formula. You will finally start building spreadsheets that just work. So let me ask you guys, which path sounds better for you? Doing it all on your own or learning it in a way that actually works? Let me know, guys, in the comments. Number one or number two option? Yes, I can see a lot of twos coming in. I'm so excited, guys, because I want to teach you. I want to make your life easier and better. We all deserve it. So if you are that person who is ready to skip the wasted time, avoid the trial and error, and finally master Excel in just 15 days, guys, only 15 days, then I would love to officially invite you to my Excel Pro Challenge. You already saw how much is possible with Excel, and honestly, what we cover today is just a tiny small taste of it, guys. There's so much more you can do, from automation, dashboard, reports, updates. And because you showed up today, guys, because I know you care, I know you're ready, I've got something special for you guys. So it's exclusive deal with exciting bonuses. Okay, so you will go from stuck and second guessing every formula to knowing exactly what to do and getting it done fast. Here on the screen, you can see 15 days, what's going to be included in our Excel Pro Challenge. We will start from basics, guys. I will walk you through introduction to Microsoft Excel, how layout looks, where to go, what to click. Then we'll go through 40 plus most important Excel formulas and tools every professional needs to know. Then it's going to be pivot tables, pivot charts to create easy interactive reports, the latest functions like XLOOKUP, logical, text lookup, math functions, and more. You'll learn how to clean up data, how to structure your data, how to automate reports that update the stamps, and how to build dashboards using AI with zero overwhelm. You saw my prompts today, and you will get all these prompts, the code, the file, everything to understand and to learn how to build dashboards using AI. Now, this isn't just about more Excel knowledge, right? We don't need a millions of hours of videos to learn, right? We're all busy people. This is about you finally feeling confident when someone asks you for a report. It's about working faster without errors and actually understanding what's happening behind the scenes. Because I know what it's like to sit in front of a spreadsheet, not knowing where to start, afraid you will mess it up, or Googling the thing for like 100th time how to fix Excel formula. That ends today, guys, and you, with my help, will learn how to use Excel, how to work faster in literally 15 days, guys. Inside the challenge, you will get clear step-by-step video lessons. They're shorter, doable, they're easy to use, and do it with me. You'll get practice files. You can try everything right away with me. You'll get my full support. Yes, I will be there to help you when you get stuck, guys. So basically, if you stuck, you ask me a question right away. You can email me, you can text me in the chat, and I will be there to help you, not only for the course, if you have question for the course, of course, but also if you're stuck at work and you don't know how to resolve it and you need help, I will be there. You can email me, you can show me your question, your spreadsheet, and I will navigate you and help you to resolve the issue in the best, most efficient way. Just imagine knowing the exact formulas to use, being the go-to Excel person on your team, and having spreadsheets that work for you, not other way around. So you're thinking, so you're stop second guessing yourself, right? You know what to use, you know what to do. So if you're thinking that this is exactly what I need, you're right. This is the shortcut you've been looking for. Now, let me show you, let me tell you guys, here's what makes this challenge truly work and why so many people are seeing the results fast. Because you're not just watching YouTube tutorials, you are learning through structured lessons, step-by-step tutorials, and real practice files. So you can apply what you learn right away at work. All you need, guys, 15 minutes a day, 20 minutes a day to study for 2 weeks. That's it, only 2 weeks, guys. How much time you scroll on your phone? Instead of doing this, just put your Excel spreadsheet at lesson and do it. Only 2 weeks. And you're not doing it alone. I'll be there to support you through the entire challenge. You'll have access to our private community chat. You can ask me again any questions. I will give you feedback. I'm actually there. And you'll have a simple homework assignment that reinforced what you learned, guys. So this way, you're not just watching, you're doing and practicing. Practice is important. So, but don't worry, guys, I am there to help you. Whatever you are, guys, if you started from zero or you already know how to use Excel, this challenge is designed to meet you where you are. It works for all skills levels, guys, from beginners to advanced. Here's what I know, guys. If you follow the steps, do the work, and go through this challenge the way it's designed, you will get results. You will finally master Excel in just 15 days. Go from confused and stuck to a confident Excel pro. You will work 10 times faster. You will know exactly which formula to use without Googling every single task, guys. You will automate your reports so you're not starting from scratch every month. You will eliminate costly mistakes and become the Excel expert your team relies on. And beyond all of that, you will add real value to your resume. You will be positioned for a raise, promotion, or even better job, and you will feel independent, confident, and in control. No more asking coworkers for help or second guessing yourself. That's the power of learning Excel the right way. And that's what I'll help you to achieve, guys, inside this challenge. Before we wrap up, I want you to know when you join Excel Pro Challenge, you are protected. You will have 30 days, 100% money back guarantee, guys. No risks, no pressure. You go through the lessons and you feel this is not helping you, just email me and I will give you the full refund. Simple as that. That's how confident I am this will work for you, just like it's worked for others, for thousands of other professionals before you guys. Who is with me? Let me know in the comments. I am so excited. Me, I want a midterm. Amazing. All right, here's your chance to take the next step. You can join the full Excel Pro Challenge right now for $2.99. That's 50% off, guys, only available through this special offer. My one course usually costs $2.99, but you are getting a full challenge, not just one course. You are covering everything you need to know in Excel. Let me share the offer, guys, so you can click it. All right, let me know, guys, if you see the offer. Yes. Okay, perfect. So for the price of one course, you are getting 15 days of step-by-step lessons, top 40 plus Excel functions every professional has to know. Tools like pivot tables, XLOOKUP, and automation formulas, real practice files, and support directly from me. A complete transformation in how you use Excel at work. You will save hours every week, stop second guessing yourself, and finally feel confident and in control. And you guys can choose one-time payment of $2.99, or if you would like, there's an option to split it over 3 months. Whatever works for you the best, guys. The link is right here, guys. You can click and you can join. And this offer is available only for 72 hours, guys. So if you've been, I don't know, thinking this is exactly what I need, don't wait. You deserve this. I will help you to become faster and more efficient in using Excel. I'm very excited for you guys. If you join me, you're gonna be the pro into your job. Let me know, guys, if you have any questions. Oh my God, I see you guys joining. Woohoo, welcome everyone. Welcome, Amanda. Yay, I'm so excited. Welcome, guys. Mark, welcome. Okay, amazing. Okay, let me know, guys, if you have any questions. All right, here's the question. What time will be the training? Okay, guys, all the lessons are pre-recorded, so you can access them anytime from anywhere. There's no specific time. And you can ask me questions anytime as well. If you have any issues, just email me or put in a chat, and I'll be there for you to guide you anytime, guys. Yay, see you guys, you joining. Welcome, everyone. I am so excited. I'm so happy that you chose the path to not struggle, but actually do something and become an Excel pro. I used to spend like hours manually updating spreadsheets and doing the same task over and over again. But by learning the right Excel techniques, I reduced my reports, guys, from days to hours. Once I automated these processes, I was able to focus more on my family, on my daughter, and I was so happy. And Excel helped me, not just me, but also more than 700 of my students, guys. You can see their reviews here. Dora, for example, she used to spend 2.5 hours on a report, and now she does the same report in 40 minutes. And this is just the beginning. She started automating other reports as well. And before the challenge, pivot tables were confusing to her, and now she's building them confidently on her own. And Gladys, she's a budget specialist. She used to spend over 2 hours preparing monthly expenditure summaries, and after going through the challenge, she learned how to use index match, XLOOKUP, SUMIFs, dynamic formulas and functions, and now she does the same work in under 40 minutes. Imagine 3 hours to half an hour. It's so much time you save. And also your data is more accurate and you have less stress. It's amazing. And Giovanna, she's an accountant. She used to feel stressed every month reconciling her balance sheets. I totally understand it. I used to do that. But now, thanks to the shortcuts and the formulas, the skills she learns at my challenge, she feels confident, fast, and proud of her reports. Isn't it amazing, guys? And Mira, she said that she used to know a lot of formulas before, but she didn't actually knew how to use them at work. This is one of the things I see a lot. People do know the formulas, but they don't know how to use them. So after doing my pro challenge, after practicing, she finally understands how to use them, and she knows she can track her project timelines and budget impacts like a pro. And Lena, she's a bookkeeper working with a lot of data as well, and Excel challenge helped her to be more organized, to be faster, be more efficient, and in control. She doesn't need to rely on other people. She knows what to do. She knows how to get her results. She knows how to do it in the most efficient way. That's what I want for you guys, not just to know Excel, but to actually use it every day at your job with ease, guys, and use it efficient and fast. All right, guys, let me know if you have more questions. I see you guys joining. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So excited to see you all inside the challenge. Okay, the questions. Okay, do you have some info about the course schedules? Again, guys, there is no course schedule. There's no set time. All the classes, lessons are pre-recorded, so you guys can watch them anytime. I need help to sign up. I'm going to put my email here, guys, so you can text me. Email me if you have any questions, guys, and I will help you. Sorry, let me see how I do that. Okay, so on the top of the chat, you should see my email. If you have any questions, email me. If you need help, please don't hesitate, email me. I will help you guys. Can I sign up later? Yes, you can sign up later. You have 72 hours to get this deal, guys. 50% off. 72 hours, so please use it. Are we going to cover Excel functions for accountants? Yes, absolutely, guys. We will cover mathematical, statistical, logical, like SUMIFs, lookup functions. You need all of these formulas and functions if you're an accountant or any other profession, to be honest. And also pivot tables and pivot charts. Okay, do you cover pivot tables? Yes, guys, we are covering pivot tables as well, pivot charts and power pivots. You have no idea how many cool things you can do with pivot tables. It's crazy. People probably know only like 5% of things you can do with pivot tables. So we will learn much more, and they're so useful. Where you can see materials and lessons. Once you sign up, guys, you will see everything in your profile. There will be an Excel challenge. You click on it, there's going to be lessons. You click on each day. Under each day will be lesson, and you can go through them. And also there will be a practice file and the homework assignment right in there. So it's very easy to use, very easy to navigate. It's very user friendly. Bonus. Okay. All right. Let me see, guys. I have more bonuses for you. Special bonus. I'm so excited. Okay, bonus number 1. Okay, you guys remember this dashboard I just showed you. And you're getting an exclusive bonus. Only you guys, only today, this exclusive bonus. No one else has it yet. It's excuse me. It's a course worth $200 where I will show you how to recreate this exact dashboard from scratch using AI in just 5 simple steps. Well, you saw, guys, right? You will get the exact ChatGPT prompts I used to build it. Prompts to instantly generate layout for your dashboard. Prompts that write the full VBA code, no coding needed, and full step-by-step lessons so you can plug everything in with the confidence. So instead of Googling endlessly or getting stuck with a broken macros, guys, you will just copy, paste, and watch the magic happen. It's my favorite part, guys. You will build this dashboard yourself, and then you'll use it again and again. You can use the same logic of the prompts to use it for your data. And I don't know, I'm excited to see your dashboards, guys. Normally, this course is valued $200, but when you join the Excel Pro Challenge today, you are getting this completely free, guys. Absolutely free. You're getting this dashboard course, guys. Only you, only today. Let me see your questions. I can't share work data on the ChatGPT. How can it help me? How can it be useful for me? Okay, guys, if you, let's say you did the course, you understand how to use the prompts, and you want to build your own dashboard with your own data for work, instead of putting in actual numbers, just give a sample of your data to ChatGPT. The most important things it needs to know, the headers of your table, and just put some numbers, just random numbers. That's it. You don't need to give an actual data. And also, if your company uses Copilot, you can use Copilot as well. The same prompts, just paste it into Copilot. Copilot's supposed to be more secured if your company has this infrastructure. Let me see, guys, if you have more questions. I don't know, this bonus is my favorite. It is so practical, valuable, and it's future-proof Excel skill you can learn right now. Let me see. Can I have the invoice for reimbursement? Yes, guys, absolutely. Just email me and I will send you an invoice. This is a great tip, guys. By the way, you can get your job to reimburse you for the course. Trust me, it's in their interest for you to be fast and efficient in Excel. I just joined, so excited. Welcome, everyone. Welcome, guys. Yeah, so once you join, you will get the Excel Pro Challenge, and also you will get the dashboard, AI dashboard course. You will see both of them right there once you sign up. So don't worry, it's all going to be there as soon as you sign up. How much time will it actually take to learn all these functions and tools? The thing is, all the lessons are very short. They're very easy to follow. They're simple, step by step. There's no fluff, no talking for hours. So literally you need like, I don't know, 20 minutes a day, 30 minutes a day to go through one day and to practice. So that's it. It's pretty straightforward, guys. I made it very simple and very easy for you to understand, and I honestly don't think it needs to be complicated and long. Okay, I have more bonuses for you guys. Okay, when you join the Excel Pro Challenge today, you're not just getting the course, you're getting the entire system to fast track your success. I'm sure, guys, you have everything needed to become an Excel Pro. Okay, as you know, bonus number 1, AI Dashboard Mini Course. You will build a dynamic dashboard from the scratch with AI in 5 easy steps. You will get ChatGPT prompts, VBA codes, which you just copy and paste, guys. So simple. You will have lifetime access to this challenge. Okay, The challenge is designed to be 15 days, right? But you guys will have lifetime access to the challenge. So even if you're busy right now, right? I know that kids are not at school. It's pretty hard to have time for yourself. But if you join today, not only you get this discount, you get all these bonuses, you also get lifetime access to the challenge because I know how it is to have kids and I want you guys to do it at any convenient time. Let's say you wanted to do it in December, you do it in December. Just use this special offer, an exclusive deal, and get the challenge, get AI dashboard course. I usually don't do it, but you have lifetime access to everything. Challenge, dashboard course, sorry, and all the bonuses, guys. So take advantage of it. All right, bonus number 3, step-by-step Excel guidebook. So every lesson has a PDF file which you can follow along and keep it for your reference. I feel like it's very useful. I literally print them and I use them as I go through my lessons. And again, you have lifetime access to my personal support. If you have questions, any questions about your work, as long as you're my student, I will help you. Even though you finished the course like a year ago and you have an issue now with your work, with Excel, email me. I will be there for you to help you, to guide you, no matter how long ago you finished the course. You're my student forever. Okay, guys? All right, bonus number 5, Excel flashcards, shortcuts and formulas. So I love flashcards. I use them all the time. I use it for my shortcuts. Like I said, I put like few formulas. I have few formulas there. I practice them. I mean, few shortcuts. I practice them. Same with the formulas. You have stack of formulas. You can print them out. You can have them in your backpack. If you're stuck, just find the formula and there's full explanation with the formula and arguments. It's super, super valuable and my students love using it. And bonus number 6 is introduction into Microsoft Excel. I made sure to include it because I know some beginners need a little more information before they dive into formulas and stuff. So please, even if you're not a beginner, start with this bonus, introduction into Microsoft Excel. As soon as you log into your profile, you click on Excel Pro Challenge, you will see it on the day 9, intro course into Microsoft Excel. Okay, guys, let me know, guys, if you have more questions. Let me see if you guys are joining. Yay, welcome, welcome, guys. I see you guys joining, everyone. I'm so excited. I can't wait you guys to become a rock stars in Excel. Can I have the recording? Yes, guys, everyone who signed up for this training will get the recording. So don't worry, you can rewatch it again. Yay, see you guys joining. Awesome, welcome, welcome. All right, you guys see the offer. Let me just make sure everyone sees it. Okay, welcome, guys. Yay, welcome. Welcome, everyone. Marcos, welcome. So excited. Elizabeth, welcome, guys. Sophia, yay. I'm excited to see you guys in the challenge. I see you guys signing up. Okay, let's see more questions. What day does the Excel Pro Challenge start? Again, this is recorded challenge, guys. You can start anytime, any day. You have lifetime access anytime, guys. Can I go back to the lesson I already did? Yes, absolutely. You can go back to it. You can watch it again. You can use it as a reference. Some of us should actually do that. It's very convenient. If you forgot something for just log in, you will have the lessons there and the shortcuts and flashcards, everything. I see you guys joining. Welcome, everyone. Yay, welcome, welcome. Is it for beginners? Yes. If you are beginner, don't worry. We go from easy to advanced and you have my support. So please don't be scared of Excel. You got it. And if you're, intermediate or been using Excel for a while, also don't worry, you will learn so much. You'll learn new advanced techniques that will save you hours at work. Please don't get stuck on the old formulas. Learn new formulas. They're more user-friendly and they're more efficient, and learn how to use AI for VBA. Do you answer Excel questions which are not covered in the course? Absolutely, guys. I help my students, like I said, with any Excel questions. So you can either email me a spreadsheet. I will take a look. I will guide you. Either you can put it in the chat. How can I pay? Okay, guys, you should see the link. Just click on the link, scroll, and there's going to be a sign up button. Just click sign up, and you can sign up right there. Yes, you can pay with credit card or PayPal. Where I will see the challenge. So once you sign up, you will see Excel Pro Challenge, you will see AI Dashboard mini course, and you will see flashcards. It's all going to be there. It's very easy to navigate. Welcome, welcome, guys. Yes, I see you guys here joining. What if I have an old version of Excel? It's totally fine, guys. So most of the things in the course are on old versions, but there's some of the new formulas are only on the new versions, like Excel 365. But I always make sure there's an alternative way to do the same thing with the older formulas. Like, for example, XLOOKUP and VLOOKUP. We have both lessons for XLOOKUP and for VLOOKUP. So whichever Excel you use, and you will be covered. Okay, let's see if you guys have more questions. What if I fell behind? Can I revisit earlier lessons? Yes, guys, definitely. You have lifetime access, so you can revisit any lesson anytime. All right, guys, welcome, everyone. Oh my God, so many people joining. I'm so excited. Okay, that's not all, guys. I have more bonuses for you. This is a special live-only bonus. Only today, guys. Only for those who sign up right now during this live. You are getting some extra special bonuses right now. So my bonus number 9 is 2025 Goal and Habit Tracker. This is one of the most popular spreadsheets I've ever created, and I personally use it every day, guys. You will be able to map out your goals for the entire year, break them down month to month, and track your daily habits. It's simple, visual, incredibly motivating, and if you love progress tracking like I do, you will love this. And personally, I think I'm so much more productive than I use this spreadsheet versus when I just don't use it, because every day I see my goals. I can click which day I completed, and then you get the star. I don't know. It makes me happy. It keeps me motivated, and I think it will be helpful for all of you guys. And if you sign up right now, you're thinking about sign up right now so you get this bonus, right? And I don't know, I love a spreadsheet. I want all my students to have it because it's so useful, and you will actually get to your goals versus just thinking about it. There's no tomorrow. Start today, guys. Get this tracker, put your few goals there. Don't overwhelm yourself. Put few goals, put your weekly plan, and just track it. It's so helpful. And because I love tracking everything, I created a special tracker for this 15-day Excel Pro Challenge. So every day you will see which lessons, which homeworks to do, and you just click on the assignment when you do it on the lesson. It's going to be all done, and you will see the progress over there, how you moved in along, so you don't get stuck. You don't do just one day, you never return it. Please keep this to help you to stick to your goals, guys. Finish it. Only 15 days. This is all you need. 20 minutes a day. That's it. Just do it. Yes. Everyone who already signed up, you will get email with these 2 bonuses. So this is an email. everyone who signed up right now. I will see everyone who signed up in my life, and all of you guys will get this free bonuses. I know, guys, many of you are busy. You've got jobs, families, and like millions things in your brain. This is why I built this challenge for real life, guys. You get lifetime access so you can start whenever you're ready. You get my support so you're never stuck, and you only need 15-30 minutes a day, and you will get to your goal. You will become an Excel pro. You will work 10 times faster. You won't be stuck in Excel. Everyone will come for you to ask you for help. Just imagine 15-30 days, and in 2 weeks from now, your whole Excel game is leveled up. Your whole Excel game is leveled up. You work faster, you're more confident, and less stressful. And again, use these trackers I gave you guys to track everything, and I promise you will see the difference. You will look back and you will say, oh my God, I'm so glad I did this. This is how I felt. I felt so proud of myself and happy that I actually sat down and I learned Excel. And Excel is not hard. It's not master's degree. All you need is 2 weeks to learn it, but it makes such a huge difference in your work. It's crazy. And also the people look at you when you are really good at Excel. They respect you, they come to you for advices, and you become very, very valuable at your job. Like when I was working, I was doing all this project not only for my team, finance, but also for the whole company. Like marketing, I did logistics, like warehouse, like all this inventory stuff. I was responsible to building those templates to make it more efficient. And this is a real skill, guys, which companies value. So I'm really excited for you. I see you guys all joining. I'm so excited that you chose this. And in 2 weeks, I will help you. I will make sure you become an Excel pro, guys. Okay, let's see if you guys have more questions. Let's see who joined. Hi, welcome, guys. I love seeing you joining. I'm so excited to see you guys inside this challenge. Let's see. Does the 72-hour deal mean I can only sign up during that time frame? So if you want to get the 50% off, yes, guys, you get only 72 hours to get this exclusive deal. You get lifetime access to the challenge. You get the bonuses. You get the AI dashboard course for free, guys, the flashcards, all of this in 72 hours. And plus, if you sign up right now, you get 2 more bonuses, my 2 trackers, guys. So just do it. Go ahead, sign up. I will wait for you guys. I see you guys are trying to sign up. Yes, Mary, don't worry. I'm going to wait for you and you can go ahead, sign up. What if I struggle with a specific function? Is there one-on-one support? Yes, guys, you will have access to our community chat, to my email. You can ask me any questions, and I will be there to help you, to give you personalized support and guidance. I am so excited, you guys. Please join. This is incredible opportunity. And you guys will learn so much. And the thing is, I designed, again, this challenge not with like 500 hours of lessons. No one has time to learn every single thing. You need to learn the most important formulas, the most important tools, which will make you work faster. And to do that, all you need to do is 15-20 minutes a day to do the lesson, to practice, to ask me questions. And in 2 weeks, you will be an Excel pro. Trust me, you don't need to spend hours and hours and hours learning Excel. Excel is simple and pretty fun and easy. For me, it's like, I don't know, being creative. Like I love creating the templates and reports. It's something something like, I don't know, like drawing. I don't know. I love it. So I hope you guys have the same, will have the same feeling after my challenge. Yay, welcome guys. I see you guys joining. Okay, I see you joined. Okay, perfect. So I think I will be saying bye right now, guys. I see all the students who joined. All of you guys will get the bonuses. And if you guys have any questions, please email me. I'll be there to help you. I will navigate you with any questions. And I'm so excited for you. You will do great. You will master Excel. You will work faster. You will become Excel Pro at your job. And you will thank yourself because you're amazing. Thank you, guys. I love you. Have a great rest of your day. And I'll see you inside the challenge. Bye, guys.